Okay, we're working on this side here. You can see we're taking this out in here, rounding it down, so we'll do the same to this side here. We're going to keep rounding this down a little bit to get more of a tapered edge to it. We're taking this out in here, so we're going to have to take this part out in here.
70% of men polled admitted that they have lied about themselves on dating apps. No. Pat? I'm going to take this guilty.
You see how we have this tapered down? We got this. We're going to sand this down more to round it down some more. So we got that side compared to this side. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.